Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the exciting possibilities that lie ahead in the world of technology. Today, we dive into the future of robots and how they are set to revolutionize our lives. Strap in and get ready for a glimpse of what's to come. Imagine a world where robots will work alongside us, lending a helping hand in various industries, such as healthcare, manufacturing, and even space exploration. These highly advanced machines will possess human-like dexterity and intelligence, allowing them to perform complex tasks with ease. In hospitals, robotic assistants will team up with healthcare professionals, enhancing patient care and reducing the workload. They will conduct delicate surgeries with unmatched precision and provide companionship and support to those in need. Robots will not only revolutionize life on Earth but also propel us into the depths of space. Autonomous rovers will roam distant planets, collecting data and paving the way for human exploration. These mechanical pioneers will be our eyes and hands in the vastness of the cosmos. Of course, as we embrace this robotic future, concerns about ethics, privacy, and employment will arise. It is crucial that we navigate these challenges responsibly, ensuring that technology serves humanity's best interests. As we stand on the cusp of this robotic revolution, it's important to remember that the future lies in our hands. By fostering innovation, collaboration, and a commitment to ethical practices, we can shape a world where robots work harmoniously alongside us, augmenting our capabilities and improving the human experience. That concludes our brief glimpse into the future of robots. We hope you're as excited as we are about the incredible possibilities that lie ahead. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on emerging technologies. Until next time, stay curious and keep dreaming big.